Let's make some chicken in the air fryer. We'll start with the marinade. I'm gonna take a tablespoon of yogurt, take a tablespoon of cream, chopped coriander, black pepper, teaspoon of coriander powder, red chili flakes, garlic powder, onion powder, mixed dried herbs, lemon juice, olive oil, everything. That's your marinade. I'm taking one chicken breast here and I've made some cuts in the chicken so the marinade can go in. Now I'm gonna pour the marinade over. Make sure to coat the chicken really well. You can let the chicken sit in the marinade for half an hour or you can make it straight away. This will go in the air fryer. You can make it in the oven as well or in the pan as well. 20 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius. This is how the chicken looks after 20 minutes. Now I'm gonna flip it and cook it for another 10 minutes.